The situation is you're serving your Argentine guests wine served at room temperature. The problem is they sit quietly and they put their glasses aside. The solution is, in the UK, for example, they will serve red wine at room temperature, but the Argentines, certainly their climate being much warmer, they prefer their wines to be chilled. So the etiquette and cultural tip for you is, remember, wine is science and culture, and check the climate, not just the bottle. Thank you very much for watching our video, and if you liked our video, please like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.